Flashbooks Keyword Readers. I Love Mum. Book 1A. A Recognise, Remember and Read Scheme. Written and read by Teacher Sabina. This reading scheme has been written to help children and ESL learners learn the keywords first before they learn their phonics. Here are the words that are in the book. I, you, we, like, dad, mum, ball, and, the, love, fish, cat, dog. I love mum. I love mum. I love dad. I love dad. You like the dog. You like the dog. You like the cat. You like the cat. We like the fish. We like the fish. We like the ball. We like the ball. I love mum and dad. I love mum and dad. You and I like the dog and ball. You and I like the dog and ball. We like the cat and fish. We like the cat and fish. Here are the words that you've learnt in this book. I, you, we, like, dad, mum, ball, and, the, love, fish, cat, dog. Flashbooks Keyword Readers. We love you. Book 1B. A Recognise, Remember and Read Scheme. Written and read by Teacher Sabina. Here are the words in this book. These are the same words that were in Book 1A. I, you, dad, we, dad, like, mum, ball, and, the, love, fish, cat, dog, you, the, mum. Mum and I love the cat. Mum and I love the cat. Dad and I love the dog. Dad and I love the dog. We love the cat and dog. We love the cat and dog. The fish and dog love you. The fish and dog love you. You like the fish. You like the fish. You and the cat like the ball. You and the cat like the ball. I like you and the cat. I like you and the cat. You and the dog love Mum and Dad. You and the dog love Mum and Dad. We love you. We love you. The words you learnt in this book are I, you, Dad, we, Dad, like, Mum, ball, and the, love, fish, cat, dog, you, the, Mum.
If this video helped you, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also tell us in the comments section below if there are any other videos you'd like us to make. Thanks!